Wow. Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing the wiring in the truck, starting to install everything through the roof to be able to put the headliner and basically anything that goes inside, because it's the first thing that has to go in. And we'll be figuring out all the hacked up wires in the back because I can't remember where they went. And yeah, figuring out, I deleted the ABS in front, so that cleared up a lot of wires, and started figuring out the harness on the TDI, which I'm not sure I'm going to do an actual tutorial on because I haven't tested it yet, so I can't give any advice on anything because I don't know if it's right yet. So let's get going. So here I'm just trying to plug as many plugs together as possible, just to simplify the wiring. The more things that are plugged in, the easier it is to understand. So just routing things where they're supposed to go, and hopefully this gets a little simpler the more we advance. All of the wiring going to the rear section of the truck has been kind of mangled and cut up, and all sorts of modifications have been done to it, so I'm just trying to make it nice again, and I'm cutting from like 3 harnesses to make one nice one. So I want like all original plugs and like no chopped up and twizzled together wires with no solder. So I printed out this little manual that I found online, and it's pretty useful. So I found this little diagram, and it tells me the color of the wire and where it grounds. It actually just grounds on the filler pipe, which I had no memory of. So at the end of this, we should have a nice clean wiring harness. So yeah, the previous owner took the wires off of another harness that had a different plug. So he took the pins out and literally wrapped around them with with the wire. So he just got the casing off of the wire and wrapped it around like this, and then just taped them together. But they started falling apart, obviously, because they weren't soldered. So it's worth it to solder your wires, clearly. This is not a technique you want to be going for. I have no idea what this plug goes to. This is beyond me. There's one of these 2 plugs for like a possible trailer wire, and also this plug. I don't know. All I know is that the yellow and purple wire is supposed to be for the fuel tank cap. Otherwise, I don't know what these are. So, if you guys know a bit more on what wires these go to, it'd be great to comment down below. This is a whole moth in the line here. Look at that.
Yeah, anything with like a drain is not going to work in the long run.
Full moth. So that's how that happens. Here I'm reinstalling the drains. The original drains I actually just cut out because I thought I was gonna, I don't know, use another hose, but finally the previous owner who parted the whole second truck actually kept the hoses intact. So it was I was really lucky to have 4 perfect hoses, even with the grommets on them. So that was really nice. So I'm about to put the headliner in. So I'm gonna put some oil a bit everywhere under the in the cracks where the roof joins to the frame. And also in all the pillars I want to put the oil in now because I don't want to get any on the headliner. So. This one's broken, so we can't take that. Okay, I guess we're taking this one. So last night I was up late. I couldn't film very much because it was kind of dark, but we've got a lot done. Put the rear quarter skins on, and really gave it a go on the interior here. So we've got the headliner, all the seat belts, that cover there, and all the rear seats, just to get them out of the way because they were kind of sitting on the ground, and I was constantly tripping over them. So really nice to get that in the truck and kind of see how it's supposed to look, and it looks amazing. It's really cool. Got the rear speakers in. Of course the headliner is quite dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean that later, and also the steering wheel. So now we can kind of start to plug stuff up and see where everything goes, and it's gonna be less daunting now, hopefully.
Alright, so that's it for this video. The next part is going to be to put all the new parts on the motor and get it running on a stand, basically. I'm gonna get the ECU tuned and the immobilizer deleted, and we should be able to get this thing running if the whole wiring harness is right. So fingers crossed, this should be good.